Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting both AirPods and the primary device ready. Charge, update software, and isolate Bluetooth sources. Put each AirPod pair into their case, open lids, and hold the setup buttons until pairing lights blink. This forces discoverable mode. Once done, turn on the device you'll pair to first, open Bluetooth settings, and watch for each AirPod's name to appear. You do this now because clean discovery avoids conflicts and speeds pairing for the next steps. You pair one AirPod set first and confirm audio plays from that device. This establishes a primary connection. Next, put the second pair into pairing mode and select its name from Bluetooth. Accept any prompts. Make sure to rename them in settings so you can identify each pair later. This prevents accidental disconnects. If both pairs should play simultaneously, enable audio sharing on supported devices. Open the control panel, tap audio output, and choose both AirPod sets. This step ensures correct routing and labeling for control. You finish by testing synchronized playback. Play a short track and switch outputs to both AirPod sets or use audio sharing. Make sure volumes are balanced. Some devices allow independent control. If you see delays or dropouts, toggle Bluetooth, move closer, and repair only the problematic set. Should problems persist, reset the affected AirPods by holding the case button until the status light flashes amber then white, and repair. This clears pairing caches. One quick tip: firmware updates often fix intermittent sync issues, so check those first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.